what's lurking in your beverage dispensers. Introducing the Beverage Fountain Brush by Malish. This specifically designed brush was created to clean those impossible areas of your beverage fountain nozzles and their component parts. Although this brush was engineered to clean beverage fountain nozzles, it works great for various other applications in tight-to-reach spots. Our new brush has unique chisel-cut nylon bristles that are durable, easy to clean, and work great with food safety cleaners. The strong polypropylene handle allows hanging for proper storage and helps extend the life of the nylon bristles. This brush will keep your dispensers clean and bacteria-free for the safety of you and your customers.